was that, Justice?
I said this helmet's uglier. You can't be taking no videos of me out this thing.
Dude, only a rookie. Only a rookie blames his gear. All right, you gonna fire this thing up? Fire this thing up, Justice. It's gonna be cold. You need to close the door. Put them gloves on.
I really don't want them.
You don't want the gloves?
I want to feel it.
Yeah, you will.
I want to feel it.
You're gonna feel it. Don't just burp it. It's icy. Oh, that thing rips, man. Is it popping or not? Look for the grin. Just absolutely priceless. He's flying. Got it.
I got it too.
That's a 450 Honda. Justice. Are your fingers cold? Are your fingers cold?
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, but
I can feel it, though. If I would have been trying to do wheelies with them things on, I'd have been falling off.
it rips, don't it?
Yeah,
It don't hesitate. The hesitation's gone.
Fucking drops right down to idle.
Rips. You don't blow it up! Open the garage door and let him in.
You make me happy when skies are gray.
Push that dog in. Alright, close the door, please. So, what's the verdict, Justice? Even we're getting some wheelies there, huh?
Yeah, I just need to figure out how to pick her up in second gear and I'll walk the out.
You know, blowing past some Harleys now, right? Hanging 10. Look at her. Come on, look at me. Yeah, I'm blowing past some Harleys on the back wheel, huh? Go racing past Goop Girl's mom, right? Was it worth it?
Yeah, I got second gear, man. That's like a whole different ball game.
Yeah. The thing sounded pretty good, man. Still haven't set the ignition, you know, it's still on last year's.
It's a rough tune, man.
Hey, that's pretty close, though. Now you gotta fix your other.
Well, Right. Now it's just spinning her in.
Yeah. Leave a comment below. Like it. Share it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.